Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to customize Telegram channel link. First, open a Telegram app and log into that and tap on the channel you want to change the link and tap on the profile icon right side top corner, and there's an edit option right side top corner, or there might be a pencil icon. Tap on that. Then you can see option called channel type. Tap on that and you can see a link here. This is the link we're gonna change. So test link 112. So this link is available. Once you are happy, you can tap on done option. So this is how we are changing the link, and I would like to give extra additional information. And if you go to manage invite links and create a link, you can customize the link according to your preference. So you can set an expiry date, duration, and number of invites or number of users you like to invite. Like to join to your channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for my channel for more helpful videos.